Right, I'm up in the woods with Sam Pilgrim, and I'm thinking to get this whole session kicked off for today. It's a game of bike.
Whoa.
Well, okay.
Look what we're on. It's a game of e-bike.
It's a game of e-bike. This is like, I haven't actually been on e-bike for very long, so I think chucking myself in the deep end.
Yeah, I'm going to chuck you deep in that deep end, and we're going to see what you're capable of on these beasts.
Oh my goodness me.
We should probably be in turbo though, because it's ultimate fun.
Is
so
it?
there
Really?
you go.
Oh, right, okay.
Try it.
Whoa! No way!
Oh, yeah!
No. Oh my goodness me.
Oh, no!
Oh! Right, so you're the e-bike king. You can set the rules, because I don't know anything about e-biking.
Okay, so we're going to have 2 lives.
Right.
The first guy to spell out the word e-bike
Yes.
is out.
True.
And the loser has to ride back with their motor turned off.
Okay.
So you're going to suffer. Well, you're going to lose.
Oh,
so
no, I'm not. Watch
you're
this.
going to suffer.
No, I'm not.
But yeah, that's it. Basically, we're going to set challenges for each other. If you don't complete it, you get a letter. Once you've spelled out e-bike, you are the loser. And the first challenge that I am going to set Blake is the 180 on flat.
180 on these
e-bike.
big beasts?
Yeah, easy. Are you ready to see it?
Yeah, please.
Cool.
I want to see you not do it. Wow.
Easy.
Now, how did you?
Am I magic?
Watch
yeah.
me. Watch
Go
me.
on, Blake.
Watch me crash. How heavy is this thing? 25 kilos.
Yeah, 24. Shows them muscles you've got.
No way.
Weak body.
Watch this. I'll try again. Hang on. I want to try that again. That's crazy. You want to lock this thing up, yeah?
Oh, is that? Yeah, all right. I'm gonna play it that way.
I'll lock up my suspension and everything. Watch this.
Oh my God.
No way.
He's going for a flare.
No ways. Right, got E.
Instantly in with the E.
Next challenge, I'm going to set it. Right, that was a nasty challenge of you setting that for the first time with me on an e-bike. I got one for you, same bit, but I'm just going to make it easy for myself. You got bunny hop land no-handed.
Oh yeah.
A little fun one for you, yeah? That was a pretty good one.
Yeah, I like that.
Oh! All right. Should we go onto the trail and start setting some cool stuff?
Yeah, let's head down the hill a bit and find some more action to actionize on.
Actionize.
Right, we are on to the third challenge, and I've seen a little hill climb here. Not too steep, but there's some roots and it's going to be slippy, so I'm going to do it right now, and then you have to do it after me.
I've been climbing hills, dude. Right, you can't touch the track. Oh! No way.
Easy! Woohoo! That's cool, actually. It probably looks so easy on the cam, but it's like really difficult. Go on, Blake.
Yeah, it seems like nothing, but it's quite hard.
Oh, no! Oh!
No way! Mate, this thing kicked off. I nearly went down there.
Imagine.
Wow.
It's them roots though, isn't it? Like,
it's so hard. What's wrong with this?
it's so fun that going up is fun.
Yeah.
Anyway, you've got one more life left.
One more life.
Let's see it. YOLO.
YOLO, one life, live it.
Keep the speed up at the bottom there and then you'll be fine. But, don't know. He's just wimp, isn't he? No skills.
He's got fight talk. He wants to win this because he's like mountain bike king. Watch this then, son. Oh,
I was like, oh, you had like determination in your eyes. I was like, oh, he's going to do it now.
and I clipped a bloody pedal. Oh, I got B. E. EB.
You're an EB.
I'm an EB.
EB. We're moving on to the next one.
Right, my set. Right, so I kind of embarrassed myself on that hill climb. I clipped a pedal. So I'm going to try and redeem myself. So it's going to be a race head to head. We're going to go up this bank.
Okay.
You and I up this bank.
Guy gets furthest
Guy
wins.
gets furthest wins. Guy gets the worst.
Gets a
obviously
letter.
gets an E.
Okay. So
Ready?
you're getting a letter there.
Because you're getting an E.
All right.
Ready?
let's-
It's kind of not a race.
Yeah, it's not a race.
This is where you need power in your legs. You need
Oh,
grip
no.
on those tires.
Oh no. No, 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 no. No.
You need grip on the tires. Yes! Yes! Uh-oh, I'm running out of power in my legs. Oh, no grip.
Oh.
Yeah! Look where he is. Yeah!
No.
Winner! You get an E.
E for me. Not so easy, is it?
That was easy. Oh, that's quite far. Next challenge you set.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
We're equally as good
Yeah, oh yeah.
at hill climbing. But who is better at manualing? We got to go from this little patch of sand here,
Yeah.
and then you got to get your front wheel onto that little double, hit your front wheel and then clear it.
Bonk.
We got two
Manual
goes.
bonk.
So manual, bonk the front wheel,
Yeah.
and clear that little jump.
Okay.
We've got two goes, and that's it. 2 goes only for both of us. And then if we,
And if we
both don't do it, we both get a letter.
Oh.
Or if I do it first go, like I'm going to right now, Blake's going to get a letter. Watch this.
Oh, he's actually.
Oh, no! No!
Oh! All right.
Oh, thought I was going to have him then. Oh!
That's quite hard.
This is good game now.
This is way different to manualing a normal enduro bike.
I'll show you how to do it. I was just playing with you.
E-bike king.
Oh!
You got to there.
All right, well,
You got to here.
I beat you, but I've got a letter now. I didn't do the bonk. EB for me.
Oh!
Oh!
No! 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 Oh, that was just close enough. I beat you.
Your front wheel dropped a foot further than mine,
Ah!
but we both got a letter.
Okay, I got EBI. EBI. Well, that was a super close challenge, but we didn't do it.
Yeah.
So it's my turn to challenge this thing, and there's a horrible step up, huge tombstone kicker
Oh no.
to no landing.
Oh no.
So you just got to launch out this thing, and whoever gets the furthest, I guess the judge the highest. No, furthest.
Okay.
Whoever can jump out the furthest,
All right.
do it. So should you go down there and judge where I'm going to land, and then,
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
or do we just jump and land dead and stop?
Oh, okay, and then move to the side.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's
Yeah?
the get. Yeah.
We'll do that. Right, I'll go first because I set the challenge. I call that the dead stop challenge. Oh, that hurt. Yeah, you go.
You didn't land there.
I landed there. There. The thorns! Look where you land. You landed
It was smooth. I landed
there.
here.
Oh, just a bike, half a bike. Ah, wow. Oh, okay, so
That
I
was
got
well good.
EBIK. Your challenge set next. What is it? I see jumps.
We're doing for this set suicide the first jump, tuck my hand to the next one.
Okay,
Nice.
let's do it. Suicide. That was pretty good.
Yeah, I was stoked on that.
That was quite scary, this one.
Yeah, that first one's a bit. You'll probably crash, so you probably should just take a letter now.
Nah, watch this.
Nah, go on, you can do it. I'm stoked to see it. Woo! Oh, yeah! Sick. Easy. Easy. On to the next one.
Right, next challenge on the way to somewhere special. We don't know, where are we going?
Somewhere special, you'll see.
Right, see that fence post over there?
Yeah.
From there, standing start, all the way, pedal, get as fast as you can, so you're gonna max out your thing at what, 26 kilometers an hour? See this tree?
Yeah.
Slam brakes, biggest skid.
Okay.
Yeah?
Right, nice.
And we're doing it together.
At the same time?
At the same time.
Oh, okay, sick.
Ready?
Yeah, let's do that.
3, 2, 1, go.
You win.
Yes! Yes!
Blake's the champ. EBI, yeah.
Oh.
It's getting
close.
I'm gonna have to make this next one insane then, aren't I?
If you want to win, but no.
I do want to win.
Oh, okay then.
You're not winning.
Oh, all right.
Let's go to the next one. You're gonna love it. Whoa,
Oh.
that's sick.
That's that step up. It's your set.
This is my set then.
Oh, okay, I'm scared.
I'm gonna do a backflip, no hander.
Oh.
You can flip.
Yeah, I can no-hander. I want to see you do it first. Yeah, let's see it then, Sam. Whoa!
Oh,
No way!
that was so
dude, that
good.
was... No, how the hell did you do that?
yeah, dude.
No, you win. I am not going
Why
to be
not?
doing that.
Really?
Well, I can... No.
So you're
Dude, I've just
taking
got this bike.
You're taking the letter.
I'm taking the letter.
You're EB.
I am EBIKE.
His e-bike.
Oh, yes,
I'm the
well
champ.
done. Well, you are the king of e-biking. Right, if you love this video and you want to see more of e-bike or bike, or do you want to see more of Sam Pilgrim on GMBN or EMBN, let us know in the comments down below. But if you want to see another game of e-bike or another game of bike, click just down here.
Or you could click just about here and watch another banger. And you should definitely click the subscribe button.
Because you're missing out. And we'll see you in the next one.
See you, dudes.